Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the WooCommerce checkout page in WordPress. When you first install WooCommerce, the checkout page looks very plain with just the form fields and a simple button. It does not give the impression of a polished or branded page. The good news is you can completely change that in just a few steps using Divi. If you want to try Divi at a great price, use the link in the description to go to the website. The first step is to open your WordPress dashboard and go to the checkout page WooCommerce creates automatically. Instead of leaving it with the default design, click Edit with Divi. This will launch the Divi Builder and allow you to fully customize the page. Next, add the Woo Checkout module. This module gives you all the sections you need, like billing details, shipping details, payment methods, and the order review. You can arrange these parts in any layout you like. For example, you could place the billing and shipping fields on the left and the order summary with the payment button on the right, or stack everything neatly in sections for a clean and modern design. Divi also lets you add extra design elements around the checkout form, like a headline, trust badges, or even testimonials, so your page not only works well but also feels more professional and trustworthy. Now you can start customizing the layout to match your brand. You can adjust fonts, colors, and spacing with simple drag and drop controls. Divi lets you change button styles and section backgrounds so the checkout feels like a natural part of your website instead of a plain form. You can even add an image or a soft gradient in the background to make it more appealing. Before publishing, check how the page looks on desktop, tablet, and phone. Divi makes it easy to preview and adjust the design for each device separately. Since most customers use mobile, making sure the checkout is smooth on phones is very important. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save and view your page. Compared to the default WooCommerce checkout, you now have a clean and modern design that is easier for customers to use. If you want to try Divi and unlock all of these WooCommerce customization tools, use the link in the description.